Then we have the 18th round. The 18th round is a single crochet and a decrease. Repeat this 8 times. The hook has 16 stitches. Then we move on to round 19. The 19th round has 16 single crochets. After we are done with the 19th round, we're going to stuff its body. Then we're going to move on to the 20th round. It is also the last round of 8 decreases. Okay, the last round has now been hooked. Hook a slip stitch here on the first stitch. Leave about 15 centimeters at the end of the thread and then cut it off. Add a little more fiberfoil, then bind off. When you bind off, please pay attention to it. These are the two threads. We are going to pick this half of the thread. Half a thread is picked for each stitch in a full round. Tighten the hole by pulling it hard. Then we're going to cut the excess thread. We have now hooked the head and the body of the unicorn. Next, we're going to hook its tail. Take out this colored thread and we're going to hook its tail. The first is a magic ring. Then there are 4 single crochets. Let's hook it up. The same is true for the left hand. Make a magic ring. Okay, the next step is to hook 4 single crochets. Four single crochets are now finished. Pull it firmly. The second round. It's 4 sets of stitches. That is, 2 single crochets are hooked into each seam. This is its tail. We use the spiral method to directly hook the single crochet. A second round is now hooked. This is followed by rounds 3 and 4. For the third round, we are going to hook 8 single crochets. The fourth loop is also 8 single crochets. The fourth round is now hooked. Next comes the fifth round. The fifth round is to hook 2 single crochets and a decrease. Repeat this twice. After the fifth round, there are 6 stitches. Two single crochets, and next is a decrease. Okay, we're gonna hook this one tail. Hook a slip stitch inside the first stitch. Leave about 15 centimeters at the end of the thread, then cut it off. We have now hooked this tail. Stuff in a small amount of fiberfoil and fill it in nicely. Now that it's done, you can set it aside. Next, we're going to hook its hair. We can use this rainbow colored thread. Let's make the first one. Leave a thread tail of about 10 centimeters. With your left hand on the thread, pick the thread with your index finger. Pinch the thread with your thumb and your middle finger. And now let's tie a slip knot. Then press and hold the intersection of the threads. The wire is wound through this one loop. This slip knot is now tied. The first and second rows are all hooked with 8 chain stitches. Then we're going to hook 7 single crochets. Let's hook it. Eight chain stitches. Okay, so let's move on. Next, the first chain stitch is unhooked. We skip the first shot. Start hooking the single crochet from the second stitch here. Hook 7 single crochets. Now that 7 single crochets are finally hooked, hook a chain stitch. Next is the second row. For the second row, this one chain stitch does not count as the number. Hook 8 chain stitches. Okay, 8 chain stitches are now done. Let's hook up. The same first chain stitch is not hooked. Start directly from the second chain stitch. Hook a single crochet, hook 7 single crochets. This one chain stitch is empty. There's no need to hook here. Again, here you have to hook a chain stitch interval.